Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled account on the application of Indeed job. We click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Indeed job and we click here as you see. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.